My people, I say I no go put my mouth and my hand again for people matter, but I no know why. My hand go just dey push me. I say I go bring this one outside again. I don't bring am. Another kasala don burst again. In fact, I don't know why girls no dey hear word. They date where they can't catch the girl for room with another man. Now so the guy, I no be just the guy. Oh, the guy carry friends, all of them enter room full everywhere, occupy space. Now so they start to shout for the girl. Say, hey, this one, how you gonna cheat on this one? Wait, they give you money to cook. If they give you money, now so the girl open mouth and stay in boyfriend say, but you have been cheating on me too, and I've not said anything. I've not created an alarm. I've not said. Now so the guy wasn't slap. Omo, that slap, he carry weight. Now so he give am slap. Oh, he dey tell her say, I am the boy. I have every right to cheat because I am the boy. Omo, no be small thing. Abeg, before I go finish all the whole story, you understand? Abeg, join me. Make we watch the video.
Are you mad? I'm man of the boy. I cannot cheat on you before you dey craze. What did they talk? Say I cheated on you.
They give you money, me cookie.
You dey craze. They say give me as a
Oshe, Alpha boy, the boy of the boys. Now you, you dey. Hey! Oh God. Anyhow, Shama people, God know why you no fit give me people like this. By the time I finish you go dey wonder whether na woman I been a man you dey date. When I see matters like this, like my heart dey shed tears. How can a woman choose this kind of life for himself? You sit down, you be woman, or you choose this kind of life for yourself. You say na like this you won't live. Bros, because you be boy, now I give you right to cheat. Thank God say you call yourself boy, not man. No, that one. In fact, for that statement alone, you receive award. Thank God say you call yourself boy, because where men are standing, you cannot stand. You get right to cheat. Some ladies go dey see these things even before they enter relationship. They see the signs, say this guy na bitter, but they go still enter. Nothing where money no go allow some people do for this life. Money. I dey tell una every time, make money. You must not be billionaire or the most richest person at the beginning, but abeg, that your small coins, make am, keep am for your pocket so that nobody go come stand in front of you dey tell you nonsense. Abeg, that stupid mentality wey some men or some boys dey get, make una change am. Where a man can cheat, a woman cannot cheat. A man can do this, a woman cannot. Abeg, I know they support cheating, but abeg, make una stop that nonsense mentality. Stop am. E dey sweet una to do am. See this one. You do. The girl no talk. Now the girl go do her own. Nobody even know whether that mistake. Nobody even know whether, even if no be mistake sef. Bros, you have been doing this thing. Now you dey come outside. You want to show yourself, say you feel beat woman, you feel. Just imagine the nonsense. Ladies, make una do something for una self. Help yourself. No sit down there, they wait until one man come dey help. Now why they treat una like bush meat? Help yourself. If man enter your life, he see say, this lady already they do something for himself. It might not be big, but only that small thing e go give you respect, because you know say you dey do something for yourself. No just dey sit down like banana wey don overripe. If they push you here, you fall. If they push you here, you fall. You no even fit get say. You no even fit get money. You no get anything. Now like that, you go dey get matters like this. They never even marry you. They never marry you. They don't already hit you. I wonder wetin go happen by the time they marry you finish. Omo, this guy say you go even dey beat your family members. Wetin happen to gender equality? Wetin happen to gender equality? I no blame this guy. No, I no blame am. Forget say I dey shout like this. I no blame this guy. Now this mumu girl I dey blame. Now you are dey blame, because I no just understand. You no fit love normal person. You dey follow Agberu, all these small small boys. See im crew member sef. Be like all these people wey they go just wake up say okay, let's form group. The name of our group will be Gangster Boys. Genzi. Na like this dey look. Get person wey get sense. I no talk say make you go follow person husband, but there are single guys or men that are very responsible. Wey if you look dem say you know say yes, future dey here. No be all these ones wey you dey follow wey they never even chew gum finish, you dey go follow them. Women, know your worth. Know your worth and set your standard. E dey very very important. I don't know how una dey see una sef o. Maybe una need wake up. See, when you wake up in the morning, dey look mirror. Look at your mirror every day so that you remember who you are and what you deserve. Una go just wake up, dey go, dey waka anyhow. Set standard and principles. No just let anybody wey dey not train well from im mama house come dey maltreat you, dey treat you like say you be dustbin. Why now? Abeg make una try for una sef. Very very important because Mama still dey find that man wey go do abeg na the matter be this because no forget every day when you wake up, remember say you be queen. Women, we are queens. Don't forget that. You understand? And any relationship wey no dey favor you, wey no dey work for you, abeg no die in silence. Work out. E better make you dey single and alive. The right man will come than for you to die and enter hellfire. Abeg, I say I go bring her, I don't bring her. So abeg, anything wey you guys talk concerning this thing, drop and there. Share this video so that our fellow queens go know say na this thing dey happen now. And subscribe if you never subscribe. Stay tuned for our next story. Chancellor Lutrot. Abeg, no be my language, so anyhow make sure your name take am like that. They say this man now dey do wonders. For TV, he go come outside, they demonstrate how man suppose handle woman on top bed. Not be the one I dey think of, because as I dey tell this thing now, I feel so I still dey relax. Serious one, now I no fit talk some kind things for English. That the whole I say I must break up on here. So for now, we don't know how you understand. Now we don't they try to see this kind of thing before. I don't bring a corner aside though. I bet join me, make we watch Chancellor Lutrot.
Way, and okay. Well, way, and gentle, sir, and take close up. Sir, now we shall suppose you. Now, me and said, come run and cheer. But me here, way now, would now want to move your meal on the chair. A tune so never endings. And me not say, who could a tune to say, we are really want to pack. Who near to set up our deal. Oh, now we near to solve our deal. And also, you near your muscle. Oh, muscle finish, and say, the name says, and that's a fourth, and you send me now, no lifted. Well, say, I to say, who's busy, sir, you know what I did, near a cop, and then you're a some men like you be a minute elevator commander, and she said, you send me that and send me.
Hey, wait. See as they catch it, they carry, they drop it. No shame. But people, last, you see, we don't know the meaning of shame again. Person will define shame for dictionary. I should say that person don't die safe. Because that word, we don't know him again. The guy even they naked. Africa. Una way like they blame government. No, this one too. Una go come outside when they blame government. Wetin be the difference between this one now and porn? No, wetin be the difference? The only thing, no, I don't see any difference. The only difference, maybe the only difference. Wetin be the difference? Maybe no, I don't see. And they try bring am, but you know they come out. This is it. This is porn, my people. Just that they have turned it to one, maybe they've added English, educational something. Chancellor, this one. Now only God know. Now only God know the kind of thing where they happen after this show like this. No, because after this kind of thing, you don't know where maybe the girl don't even reach another side. The man too, before you know now, they go just go kolobi, boom. I even hear say this man a married man. Hey, married man, oh. Wait, he dey for public this thing where the whole Ghana they watch am. And his wife too go sit down for house. They say, that's my husband, that's my husband. Mr. Counselor. Now so now go they use title, they chop all these small girls. They chop, and that mumu one too. You two, you stand there. Man, they use. I beg, I don't even want to talk and the things even they do me somehow. Man, they just they touch you. You two, you stand there. If I be your boyfriend, it's over. You and who? You don't carry my property, go. Because na TV. Funny enough, person like this, they not even they satisfy their wife. Funny enough, oh boy, you go come outside, they make noise. No, go check them. Now, person like this, in wife go even they watch and they do. It they happen. UTV. UTV, I beg. I bring this matter because we need caution that TV what. We need caution now. If you won't do this kind of thing, I beg, not before TV, you go can't do it. Not before TV, because if you know say you they teach people how to do this kind of thing, I beg, I don't know, plan one conference or one program. Those where they interested, may they come meet you there. Not be something where everybody. Nah, they see children even they watch. How you go they put this kind of thing for the whole and children of nowadays where we still they try control. You know, say most of them now they don't even they hear word. You talk one, they don't reach 20. We even they try to control them. See what you now even still they put. Now only God go help us. Now only God go help us. No, who they watch this thing? Abi, as you they put on now, you go con they control people who go on TV, people who go off their TV. Are they my house? Are they watch anything where I won't watch? Now why they bring this thing? Because we don't need this kind of thing for this period. I beg make una try help. Try help. There are many things where you go put educational things where at least they go move the country or the people forward. See what you they come outside they teach. Any man wey no sabi satisfy woman, it may go find out for dictionary. No come outside, come they give us this thing. You are part of the problem where we they face for this Africa. You, this man, you are the. In fact, you are. Your problem self even past president own. I no just understand why you go come outside for this your age. You say they teach this one, and your children too go they watch you like that. Your children, no wonder. Now we know where they come from. I no go talk anything. Now we know the other side and the other side. Now we know when they grow. Now we go. Now so problem they go just the cause because of person like you. I beg Ghana. I bring this matter because of una. Make una start and send this video to your people. All of una we know the UTV manager or whatever. I beg you need hear me. That program where they do they need cancel them. You know they educative at all. At all, very very important. So I beg make una help me share this video because we get children, we get younger ones, we get and we need educational things now. And if you never subscribe, I wonder how you want to updated with matters like this. I beg start to drop the comment for that comment section. I will reply now one by one as usual. Stay tuned for our next story.